A long time ago, in ancient Greece, there was a king who loved gold. He loved gold bars. He loved gold coins. He loved gold bracelets. He loved gold cups. King Midas loved gold. But one day, he didn't love gold anymore. Hello everyone, welcome back to English on Autopilot. Today we are going to talk about the myth of King Midas. King Midas loved his family, his wife, his daughter. He loved the gods, Zeus, the god of the sky, and Athena, the god of war. He loved his people. But one thing he really loved was gold. He loved gold. And one day, a god came to speak with Midas. A god with long hair and a long beard. A long beard came to speak to Midas. He said, Midas, I'll give you one wish. One thing you want, I will give it to you. Midas knew what he wanted. And he said, I want everything I touch to turn to gold. The god said, okay, here is your wish. And King Midas got his wish. Later, King Midas was hungry and he wanted food. He wanted an apple. He wanted an apple. He wanted to eat an apple. Delicious. But when King Midas when he touched the apple, it turned into a golden apple. It turned into a golden apple. And ow, it hurt his teeth. He couldn't eat. Then King Midas was thirsty. He wanted a glass of water. But when he touched the glass of water, what happened? It turned to gold. It turned to gold. But then later, King Midas saw his daughter. His daughter, who she loved her dad. And she was happy to see her dad. She ran to give him a hug. And what happened when she gave him a hug? Exactly. His daughter turned to gold. She turned to gold. And King Midas cried. He cried. he cried and was very, very sad. He was very sad. He screamed, "No, gods, I'm sorry. I don't want to touch things and turn them into gold. Take it away." The god came to Midas and he said, "Okay, I'll take it away." Then the apple turned back into a normal apple to eat. And the water turned back into water to drink. And King Midas's daughter turned back into a human. And King Midas learned that gold is okay. But love is more important. Have you heard this myth before? Do you know King Midas? Put it in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe to keep watching more comprehensible input. See you guys in the next video. Bye.